I started by painting the tops of these nesting tables a pretty pale pink. I'm using the Mendy Border Stick and Style stencil roll. It comes in a roll 6 inches wide and 3 yards long. The back is very sticky. Unroll the length you need for your project. I'm laying it down on one edge of my tables, making sure the pattern is symmetrical. Press down to make sure the contact is good. And then I trim off at the length that I need. The adhesive means there's much less chance of bleeding. You can see how well it sticks down. I've decided to use chalk paste in the colour cement, which is a very pale grey. Chalk paste has a really thick consistency. I'm using a plastic tray, but you could easily use a paper plate. And I'm scooping out some chalk paste onto my tray. I'm using the Redesign with Prima foam roller and make sure that the product coats the roller in a nice even coating. You don't need to apply particular pressure, and because the chalk paste is thick, there's no chance that you will get bleeding. I'm making sure I have nice even coverage. Reveal time! I love this part. Repeat on the other 2 tables, ensuring the symmetry of the repeat pattern. And finally, I finish with a flat top coat. That was just my choice for this project. You can choose your favourite. Thanks for watching.